Your boy got in the way, dude.
Come on, rock him. Rock him.
You didn't win.
Dude, I fucking beat your ass. I mean, I whooped you. And you're warmed up. I've been outside farting. Right?
That's crazy.
Dude, you had that fan on the other day, and I ate some bad food the other day.
Would you eat Sudanese?
Yeah.
That's being helped.
But then I let it sit around for like.
You probably have some sand in that shit.
That's the problem about it. It's not eating the bad food.
It's just he lets it get bad.
Yeah.
And
That's
then
it.
All right.
And then
So
he
anyway,
Coffee cup that one day, right?
I know.
so I
That's
went.
a fucking problem, dude.
So I went to the bathroom, right? And I come out of the bathroom, and my stomach is like gurgle, 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 gurgle. I'm like, ugh.
Gurgle, gurgle.
And I feel pressure building up, right? But it's just gonna be a fart, right? So all Ro and Cheryl and all the women are over here, right? And the fan is going,
Yo.
and I am trying to get out before this bubble burst. Dude, I walked around this corner and I ripped it. And I fucking, but I didn't want to shit myself, so I'm kind of like,
We
and I just ripped it like 3
You
times.
gotta
Is that
get
shit-
him on a
is that
podcast.
And I mean, the
Of
smell
course
was
it is.
fucking horrible.
Yeah.
And he stares like, oh my God!
Who did that?
And then when they started asking questions,
Just
I
walked out.
ducked. I ducked out.
Oh shit! Cutting that part out and fucking putting it up on its own.
How's it right?
Dude, you should have seen the time I was in Walgreens. It buckled these old ladies' knees. They fell. No, I shit you not.
Hey, you gotta let
And
it
the
breathe.
one, Ethel. Ethel, stay back, Ethel. Oh, you're a pig, girl. These 2 old black ladies, man. Oh my God, I felt so bad. And they're blaming it on the lady who ran it, and they had the claw, the three-toed claw canes.
Yeah.
And the first lady's knees buckled, and she goes down, and like everybody's screaming. Then the other old black lady, I can't remember, Eloise? But then she's yelling. The one that went down was Eloise or something, and she's yelling at Ethel, "Stay back, Ethel! No, it's horrible. Stay back!" And then Eloise is like, "Oh, girl, you are such a pig." Right? And so she's down, and people are like, what's going on? Oh, the lady fell, and she needs help. And like other people are going into that aisle. And dude, I mean, people are, oh my God! You can hear cans like getting knocked on the ground. Like people are leaning on the shelves, and shit's falling on the ground.
Oh man.
And I'm just, I'm doing that Bill Murray. I'm just ducking my head. No, it wasn't me. I don't know nothing about it.
You want to shoot now?
Yeah.
No, you gotta let it breathe sometimes.
Yeah, you gotta let that coochie breathe. You know what I'm talking about.
Dude, you got a call. I don't know if you're going for the 6th.
Sometimes you just gotta let it breathe.
Dude, you got to call the fucking time.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I thought you were going for the 6th, bro.
Shit, no, man. What the fuck's wrong with you?
He said, yeah, but you just gotta let it breathe.
Gotta let that old coochie breathe. You know, it's like a fine leather. You gotta grease it up every now and then. You know what I'm talking about.